Well, the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale is over. Here's what I bought. Hello beautiful people, this is Ann, Fabulous Life 101. Thanks for tuning in today. On my channel, we cover makeup, skincare, fashion, travel, things that make you feel more fabulous at any age. If you're interested in this kind of content and you're not already a subscriber, could you please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification right now. Thanks so much. Well, for the past 3 weeks, Ulta's been having its 21 Days of Beauty, and of course, I wound up buying a lot. Not as much as I sometimes do, because a lot of the items I already had or I already had tried. But right now, let me show you exactly what I did buy in the Fall 2022 Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. Okay, first let me just go through the catalog and let you know what I did buy. The first day, I bought Tarte Shape Tape Cloud CC Cream Broad Spectrum Foundation. I already did a video of that. We'll link to that as well. Second day, I tried these nude sticks, demonstrating those for you today. Later in the week, the Too Faced Pomade and her pencil. I already demonstrated that. And then I got the Clarins Total Eye Lift Eye Cream, which I'm demonstrating for you today. Also that week, this was an online-only deal from Crepe Erase. Body Firm Crepe Erase is sort of their signature product, as well as the scrub and a neck cream. Now going on to the second week, a lot of good things I didn't buy because I either already had them or whatever. I did get this Strivectin First Time Steel Super C Vitamin C Moisturizer. Love it. Using that today. I wanted to try this Shiseido day cream, but they were completely out of it online and in the store. A lot of great deals that I just passed up because I bought so much. And I did get a deal on the Jaclyn highlighters and the IT Bye Bye foundation. Third week, Anastasia pomade. I'm going to demonstrate that for you today. The Beauty Bakery flour from Kylie Cosmetics to Lip Kit. Plus there was a bonus from Ariana Grande, the R.E.M. pencil. So I was really happy to get all of these things on sale. Others I've tried before and loved, but I just didn't need them right now. Anyway, on with the demonstration. Let me show you some of the skincare I got during this 21 Days of Beauty. I always love finding Strivectin for half price. This particular item is the Anti-Wrinkle Line Transforming Melting Serum. This was an online only deal, half off, and it's just a wonderful face serum. It has kind of a minty smell. Another Strivectin product, half price, Multi-Action Super C SPF 30. Wonderful day cream to put on, include your sunscreen. And put this on before makeup. Some moisturizer and sunscreen in one. You may want to occasionally use a little bit of additional sunscreen if you're going to actually be out in the sun a lot, but this is great everyday product. The last new product I bought that I'm using today, this Clarins Total Eye Lift. This is one of my very favorite eye creams. Just put a little tiny dab, and it's great for the under eyes as well as like the lids. Just massaging this into the eye before putting on any makeup. Okay, the skin is prepped. Now on to the makeup. And of course, IT is one of my favorite brands of foundation. This time they had Bye Bye Foundation on sale. And that is wonderful consistency. One of my all-time favorite foundations. Now this also has a SPF 50+. Generally, unless you use it really, really heavy, the sunscreen. But when I combine it with the sunscreen in the Strivectin moisturizer, it's really good protection. Well, I've loved Anastasia Beverly Hills brow products for as long as I've tried them. But now I'm trying something completely different from anything I've tried before from them. This is the Dip Brow Pomade. This was on sale half price during the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. So it is actually a pomade with a brush. The brush was half price as well. So I decided to go ahead and get them both. The shade I tend to get in Anastasia is taupe. This is the taupe. It does seem a little slightly darker than the pencil does in taupe. Okay, after filling in, then you take this end and just, it's this brushing upward that helps give your brows more of a natural fullness. Now, one of the great things about this 21 Days of Beauty is it allows you to try completely new products that you've never tried before. One of the things I tried was this nude sticks. This is Rose and Honey nude sticks. They are good for eyes, lips, and cheeks. This is a 3 little sticks in here. So basically one of them is kind of a bronzer, one is a nice pink color, and the other is sort of a lighter caramel color. So I'm going to start by the bronze. Just draw in the hollows of my cheekbone. Maybe a little down here. Now I'm taking the cheek color and again drawing on my cheekbone, right at the top of my cheekbone. And I think I'm going to try a little bit of this on the eyelids as well. Just take a little this sort of rosy tone right on the lids. Now, no, I'm not going out like this. It's all in the blending. Take this lighter tan shade, and I'm going to put that. See, it's a nice little mirror in the case too. Like a little bit under the brow bone. Top of the cheekbone. Okay, so now I'm taking my main blush and bronzer brush and just blending all of this in. And I'm taking my eyeshadow blending brush and blending this. These are kind of nice. I'm liking them. I don't know whether they're really going to be my favorites or they're going to be something that I use on a regular basis, but I'm glad I had the chance to try it, and that's one of the great things about 21 Days of Beauty. You can try all kinds of things that you might not otherwise. Great deal I couldn't pass up were these highlighters by Jaclyn that I half price, I think Friday a week ago. This, I got the Baba Boom highlighter, and after seeing this I thought maybe this is too orange. Am I really going to like this? But when I blend it in and just put it right on the cheekbone, it just adds enough of a bronzing color to just give you a little bit more of a tan glow. So yes, I am liking this a lot. And this is the loose highlighter, so I basically shake it up a little bit, open it, again take my brush, and just gives a little extra glow on the cheeks. So Jaclyn makes the best highlighters, so we can get them for half price. You can't pass that up. I can at least. And on the last day of the sale, I scooped in and bought these two items. I've been wanting to try R.E.M.Beauty, that's Ariana Grande's brand, and they had the eyeliners for half price. So I just got a black eyeliner pencil, and let's see how it works. Okay, this is a rollout pencil, so that's nice. It's a nice texture, very smooth. You don't have to press down too hard. Okay, it only came in brown and black, and I got the black, and I was a little worried it would be too dark, but it's not at all. It's sort of a soft gray black. I'm definitely liking this. This is a really nice little eyeliner. And the Kylie Lip Kit. I have tried Kylie Lip products before. Basically, I thought they were good. They weren't really my favorites, but when they're half price, I thought I'd try a different one. This color is called Coco. And of course, I have a cat named Coco. My cat is spelled with a C like Coco Chanel, and this Coco is spelled like with a K. I still thought it would be a good chance to try it. Plus, it looked like a really nice color. And this is the pencil. The pencil seems a little bit light, about the same shade. Normally, I like the pencil slightly darker than the actual product. But it's a nice smooth texture. Wears down pretty fast. I'm gonna have to sharpen this before my next use. And here is the lip gloss. It's a pretty shade. The final thing I'm using from the 21 Days of Beauty sale is something I've been wanting to try for a long time. Beauty Bakery Flour Setting Powder. It comes in a little flour bag, very cute. And this is the powder. I have used this a couple of days, and I do like it a lot. Just gonna take a loose powder brush and just use it to set all of my makeup. It only comes in 3 shades, 3 light shades and 3 deep shades. And this one is just sort of the translucent, so it really does not add any color. It just sort of sets. And it's a really nice powder. I like this a lot. Beauty Bakery, if you don't know, it's a small brand, Black-owned company. She's done incredible things. This is sort of one of her signature products, so I'm really glad to finally try it. Well, that's the video for today, just demonstrating a few of the things that I bought at the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty Fall 2022 sale. And hey, did you buy anything during the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty? If so, leave a comment down below. Tell me about it. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.